The product takes its final consumer form.
Welcome to our candy factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how candy is made, step by step.
From this point forward, the system takes over.
The raw world ends at the factory door. Cleaning removes the outside world from the equation. Only usable material is allowed to continue. Consistency begins with selection. Human judgment reinforces machine precision. Preparation ends where processing truly begins. Pressure unlocks what the raw material holds inside. Once released, flow must be controlled.
Heat prepares the liquid for refinement.
What remains is reduced to what's needed. The core ingredient is now defined.
Character is added with precision, never guesswork.
Structure is built through repetition.
Shape defines how the product will be experienced.
Stability prepares the product for precision.
Automation ensures consistency at scale.
Precision is measured in milliseconds.
Machines verify what the process promises. Repetition delivers reliability.
Automation refines what transformation creates.
Finishing layers protect and enhance.
Time and environment complete the surface. Uniformity is enforced before counting begins. Precision extends beyond appearance. Before release, every batch must be verified. Verification begins with sampling. Human eyes remain a critical instrument.
Performance is measured, not assumed.
Only verified product is allowed to leave the process. The product takes its final consumer form. Order is maintained until the very end. Production becomes inventory. Finished goods are prepared to leave the facility.
And this is how modern factories produce candy from start to finish.